This is some peppermint that I have here in my garden. Smells very good. You can make a lot of different kind of teas, drinks, and you can use it in order to cook some couscous, and it gives a very good flavor to the couscous. But if the couscous is not very cooked, you may add all the mint that you want, and it's not going to be good. At the other side, you may have a wonderful couscous, but if you do not put some mint on it, it's not the same. This principle, you need both, is what Jesus wanted to say in Matthew chapter 23, when he said that the Pharisees, they dined peppermint, but they forgot to do the most important of the law, which is justice. What do we do in our Christian life? Do we dime the peppermint? Do we go to the church, we give our offerings, we give back our tithing and everything? But if we forget to do right when we are out of the church, all this is worthless. We need to do both things, the couscous and the mint, the good deeds and the giving.